to try something new here, and I apologize in advance. My microphone is of poor quality. This is a project I built back in 2013. I just happened to find the files, and I decided I was going to go ahead and put a video together of it. I did find one video of it that I'll put toward the end, and it summarizes what this is and kind of gives you a little bit better view of this treasure chest that I built. But it was built for the Festival of Trees, which is basically a bunch of Christmas trees that are made and auctioned off, and all of the proceeds go to supporting Primary Children's Hospital. And so there was a Nemo theme, and I was asked to build this treasure chest for it, and I guess it turned out better than they were expecting, so they decided to use it another year. Unfortunately, I never saw it on the theme for the next year. Something to do with pirates, I think. Anyway, I'll just go ahead and let the rest of these pictures, which are just a few, go ahead and play. And then I will let the summary video at the end wrap things up. Well, I was trying to capture a video of me making this, but for some reason my phone kept shutting off, and so I ended up missing enough of it I just didn't bother. But I created this chest for, well, there's woodwork that's still supposed to go in it, and velveting and things like that, but somebody else is going to be doing that. But this is the metal frame for a treasure chest that's supposed to go to the Festival of Trees in Utah 2013. This is a charity where the trees and the things that go with the tree, such as, well, in this particular case I think it's Nemo or something like that. But those whole displays are auctioned off, and all the money goes to support Primary Children's Hospital, the children there. So that's what this is for. I just finished creating it. I ended up creating these little holders for the can't speak. Those little holders for the handles here. The handles are just rings. I ended up creating this lock. This is hollow. It is, I don't know, about 1/2 inch thick, and I thought that looked nice on it. And I probably have about, may not look like it, but I think I have about 12 hours into this, so can't wait to see it with wood though when it's all complete. There it is, all closed up. And just to show you what I created those handle holders with, I ended up creating this die and put the metal in between it and stuck it on the press and smashed it. And I'm glad I left that a little bit of extra room in there. It definitely needed it. So that's how I created those.